Hello and good day everyone, my name is Norajana and I'm going to talk about an amazing and unique mega structure that I had come across, which is Marina Bay Sands Hotel located at Singapore. I will briefly explain the construction process and the study of this building. Let's go. This building is designed by Safdie back in 2006 and complete the construction in June 2010. The main contractor that responsible for this project is Sangyong Engineering and Construction. This building had cost around $5.7 billion. The 50 stories or 640 feet building is built on a reclamation land. The design concept is to explore, exchange and entertain. There are 55 stories of hotel and 1 hectare garden on the top, furnished with 492 feet infinity pool. The primary driven element is the continuous atrium running along all 3 towers. For the substructure part, concrete piles are used as the foundation with a size of 50 to 60 meter long and the diameter varies from 1.8 meter to 2.4 meter. The foundation buried under 3 layers of soil. The jet grouting with high pressure jet or fluid is used to loosen up the soil. For the superstructure part, reinforced concrete shear wall, primarily vertical and transverse structural system is used. The additional concrete core wall in each building legs is used to restrain the force in the longitudinal direction. For the wall, 8 in flat slab post tension maximum span of 10 mm is used to maximize the structural efficiency, and it is a simple floor solution A in a building and can accommodate the 9 to 10 floor to floor height. Level 23 houses use structural steel trusses. Large plate-to-plate steel is embedded in the concrete wall. This building used a lot of facade. To counterpart the heat issue from the west facade, the custom double-glazed unitized curtain wall is used and glass fin were installed to provide shading. The use of reflective glass creates aesthetic yet minimal look. The uniqueness of this building can be seen from the top part. The top part of the building is called Sky Park with 340 meter long times 40 meter wide. This cantilever section used 7,700 tons of steel work. The structure span between towers is a system of steel bridges trusses, which is V-struct that support the bridges. Another facade used is 9,000 silver painted metal composite panel used as the skin to enclose the trusses. The challenges were faced in this completion are the land itself consists of marine clay and sand, and the speed of wind is high. To counterpart this problem, 90 to 120 diameter of cofferdam is applied to pump the water. They also built dummy to test movement against wind. The flare causes the shear wall to flat and drift. Therefore, pre-stressing were introduced into the vertical and inclined shear wall to reduce movement and stresses accumulated during construction. For the next part of this video, let's have a sneak peek of the photos and the progress of this building over 5 years of construction. As we can learn and enjoy throughout the video, it is proven to us that Marina Bay Sands Hotel is a complicated yet majestic building. I think that's all from me. I will catch you again in another time. Thank you so much for your time and goodbye.